guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to October Ipsy unbagging. October, fun fact, actually marks 1 full year of me receiving these Ipsy bags to share with you guys. If you're unfamiliar, I am an Ipsy ambassador, which means they send me these bags just a tiny bit ahead of time so that I can open them and share the products with you guys and give you an idea of what you might possibly see in your bag. So I have the original Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus to share with you guys. These are so cute. The October theme, like they definitely getting spooky Halloween vibes here with the little vampire mouths on them, the lime green, totally like feeling the theme here. It's actually a pretty wicked theme. Makes perfect sense, right? Okay, so we're gonna start with the original Ipsy bag or the original Glam Bag. This you can get for $13 a month and you get deluxe size samples typically in this bag. You get 5 of them. So we're gonna, oh my God, I just realized the zipper is like a lime green. Okay, flip it around. Little lipstick, how cute is that? Okay, ooh, Tatcha! The Dewy Skin Cream. My mom actually really likes this. It's a really thick moisturizer for dry skin, so I might save this for her. I love Tatcha products. I kind of want to keep it for myself. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand This Works. Not familiar with that brand. This is the Rose Water and Mint Infused Pads to remove makeup and daily pollution. There's 12 pads in here. They must be little teeny like rounded pads. The fact that there's 12 is really nice because that means you can get 12 days of use out of this. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Farah. We have gotten some Farah products in our bags before. They sent us a bunch of like full-size lipsticks to test out and I did like them. They had a really nice scent to them. They were lightweight on the lips. So it looks like this is the matte liquid lipstick in the color Cocoa. Really, of course I dropped it. Really pretty fall color, which is perfect for this time of the year. I could totally see like putting this on and going to the pumpkin patch. Next thing in here is by the brand, is this Gold Fatten MD? I'm not sure. Haven't heard of that brand before. Solution Doctor's Scrub Microderm Exfoliator. Okay, so it looks like it's maybe a physical exfoliator. This is an itty bitty sample size. You probably could get like 2 uses out of it, but that's kind of what this bag is all about. You're not supposed to really get full-size samples in the original Glam Bag. Let's see, the last product looks like it's a full-size product actually. So this is by the brand M2M NYC, and this is their eye primer. Okay, you know what? I'm always up to try new eyeshadow primers. I am a diehard fan of my NARS eyeshadow primer, but I gotta give others a chance too. So this is a really good size. Okay, next up we have the Glam Bag Plus, which is my favorite. So this one typically has full-size products in it. This retails for $28 a month if you are subscribed. Let's see, big product here. This is by the brand Dermalect. Not super familiar with that brand, but I feel like I've heard about it before. And this is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. It says it's an overnight treatment to effectively revitalize dull-looking skin. Helps with wrinkles, pores, great on age spots. Well, that sounds like that's pretty amazing. Here's what it looks like. There's salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and L-ascorbic acid in it. Okay, next thing in here is by Tarte. This is from their Sugar Rush line, and this is their Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner. I love eyeliners, so this is good for me. Black, and it looks like there's a built-in sharpener. This is a clay liner. I actually don't know that I've ever used a clay liner before. I mean, it looks like it's a pencil liner. Let's see. Ooh, really pigmented. I'm excited for that. Okay, next thing in here looks like it's another serum. This is by the brand Buttah. Ooh, I like that brand name, Buttah. It's just fun to say, B-U-T-T-A-H, Buttah. Their vitamin C serum. I feel like vitamin C serums are so extremely popular right now. We almost always get one in our Ipsy bags every single month. I have dozens of them and I can only use so many of them, you know. But vitamin C is really good for brightening the skin and you can use it in pregnancy. I'm pregnant, so it's nice to have a product that I can actually use. It actually looks like I have 6 products in my bag, so typically there's only 5. Next thing in here is by the brand Murad. We've had a bunch of Murad products and I really like the brand Murad, so I'm totally okay with that. So this is their Renewing Eye Cream. Love eye creams. Let's see, is there retinol in this one? It doesn't look like there's retinol in here. This does say it targets signs of aging. It's ultra nourishing. Yeah, AM and PM. Let's see what it looks like. Decent size for an eye cream, and I love the fact that it has a little pump container. That's cool. Okay, next thing is by the brand Il Makiage. This is their Icon High Volume and Intense Curling Mascara. Definitely a full-size product. This looks like a cool package. Smells like mascara. It has a plastic bristle wand, which I like. This has a shape I've never seen before though, like a football shape, or I haven't seen it recently on mascaras. So haven't tried this before, but I'm always up to try new mascaras. Okay, last thing in my Glam Bag Plus is an eyeshadow palette. Okay. By the brand Viseart, which is a very prestige brand. So this is their Petite Pro Un. Petite Pro UN. Okay. Ooh, I'm looking at the colors on the back and they look really pretty. I know these retail for a lot, like 40 bucks. So you're definitely getting your money's worth here. This is so cute. Okay, definitely a neutral palette, which I'm totally okay with. I am a neutral girl, obviously. You can tell by looking at my makeup. These look more like you got some warms and you got some cools. So it's like a good combination of warms and cools. You got a pop of purple. Viseart eyeshadows are really, really good. Okay guys, well I think that I got some really good products in my Glam Bag Plus this month. I am excited for the eyeshadow palette. I am excited for the mascara, for the eyeliner. There was a lot of makeup in the Glam Bag Plus, which I'm really excited about. The rest was a lot of skincare. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you are subscribed to Ipsy and you would like to get some of these products in your bag, make sure you log in and like self-select, because you can pick a couple to go into your bag and then the rest is like a fun little surprise for you. So I hope that you enjoyed watching me unbag this, and I will watch, or I was gonna say I will watch to you next time. I will talk to you next time. Bye.